True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, so I'm giving an update in a Congo hole in St. Elizabeth, very close to the Seaview area. So this is the 23rd of July. I know leaves St. Elizabeth under a lot of damage. So let us see what's taking place in this area. Yeah man, see a lot of house top. A lot of house top come off. A lot of house top come off. A lot of house top come off and thing. A lot of house top. So this place get really bad damage. I was requested to do this video. So let me see what I go on now. So when you're in the Congo hole area, you can get a nice view over the beach. I don't know if it's in the Cheddar Beach area. A lot of people get hit in this area. I passed a while ago, I see house stop off by your right hand side. So thank you all for watching the channel. If you learned something about this area, leave in the comment section, so you can share the video, because that YouTube like when you share the video, so it can reach so many different people.